morning, all of you. We will continue with the civics chapter, the Indian Constitution, and yesterday we have marked the short answers. So today, the long answer type questions we'll do. Now, the first one would be, what is the preamble of a country and what is its importance? What is the preamble of a country and what is its importance? So for the first part of this question, you come to page number 218. Page 218, from under working of the constitution, after the first two paragraphs, it reads like the preamble reads. You got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
after the preamble, write the preamble of our country. The preamble of our country reads, and then you will write, because they have asked that what is
Ma'am,
the
please repeat.
they have asked what
Ma'am,
is the
please.
yes beta, what is the preamble of a
Ma'am,
country, so you
please
need to
repeat one.
mention there beta, I am telling. So in this you have to write the entire preamble. So page 218, under the heading working of the constitution, after the first two paragraphs, it reads like the preamble reads. So you could write the preamble of our country reads, and then the whole preamble till ourselves this constitution. Mark till ourselves this constitution. This is the first part of the answer, and for the second part, you come to page number 221. Page number 221 under the heading points to remember. Page 221 under the heading points to remember. Come to seventh point. Seventh point. It says the preamble of the constitution. Got it?
So, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After
Yes, ma'am.
after that, write the preamble of the constitution has great importance. Write down, has great, this you need to add, has great importance because, has great importance it because it, and after it you will continue with what is written here, because it lays down basic principles for formulating and implementing national policies and enlists goals and objectives till objectives. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
Next one. What is the importance of the constitution? The importance of the constitution, for this you come to page 217. Page 217 under the heading importance of the constitution. Okay, so from the first paragraph, you mark from the first line, our constitution is very important in a democratic. Mark till fifth line, third word, howsoever
Ma'am,
powerful they are.
ma'am, please repeat.
Page number 217, under the heading importance of constitution, the first paragraph, mark from the first line till the fifth line. Or mark the whole thing. Mark the whole thing. That would be better.
Ma'am, the whole first paragraph.
The first paragraph and the first sentence of the second paragraph also. the whole first paragraph under the importance of constitution and the first sentence of the second paragraph. The powers of a democratic government and rights of the people are clearly defined in the constitution. Or should we include? I think we should include the whole thing, because that is also important. If we leave one line, that line is also important. That is, it is the constitution only which ensures that the powers are not misused. So I think it will be better if you mark the whole thing. Mark the whole thing under importance of constitution. I know it will be a big answer, but then there is nothing very difficult in it. So mark the whole thing. Then next question would be, explain the significance of Dandi March. Explain the significance of Dandi March. For this, come to page 221 under the heading Law and Dissent. Mark from the first line of the first paragraph. Then mark the first paragraph. The first
Your voice is
paragraph.
not coming.
Better page 221 under the heading Law and Dissent. Mark the first paragraph. From salt satyagraha was a non-violent still created in the country. Was created in the country. So the first paragraph, entire first, the whole first paragraph. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you write one more question. Write one more question. Explain the terms. This is not in your book. You write down. Explain the terms. TERMS. Explain the terms. Put a small dash. Liberty, comma, equality and fraternity. Explain the terms. Put a dash. Liberty, comma, equality and fraternity. Okay.
Ma'am,
now-
written.
Yes, now come to page 220. From under liberty, mark the first three lines. Till in any way he likes. From liberty. You've got the topic liberty here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the first
Yes,
three
ma'am.
lines. The term liberty means till in any way he likes.
Yes, ma'am.
Under equality, you mark the whole thing. And even under fraternity, the whole thing. Alright. Have all of you marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this completes our civics chapter.